How to redeem Delta gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video we will simply learn how we can redeem our Delta gift card. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to redeem our Delta gift card, what we will do is we will just go ahead and then open up our browser first of all. And once we open up our browser, in the search box we just want to type in delta.com/redeem. Now this is the official URL of the Delta website you want to go to in order to redeem your gift card. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box so you can go ahead and then check that out as well. Now once I go to delta.com/redeem, you'll basically see this kind of interface after the website loads up. So let me also go ahead and load up the website. You can see some of the certificate, e-credits or Delta gift cards. And in order to redeem it, scroll down a little halfway down the bottom. You can find the option called Delta gift cards, and here it says add a Delta gift card. All you have to do is to simply enter your gift card number and then enter your PIN or your redemption code on the back of your card, and then tap on the option called lookup, or you can also go to continue. It may or may not ask you to log into your account. Once you do that, your Delta gift card will be successfully redeemed to your Delta account. And that's all it takes to redeem a Delta gift card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.